Video, we are going to show you how to connect your Ease Cushion app to your Ease Cushion. First, you're going to go to your App Store or your Play Store, and you are going to search Ease Cushion. You will then want to download the app and be sure that you see the Ease Cushion logo. You will then open the app, and you are going to need to give permissions to use your device's location. You will have to give these permissions for both Bluetooth and location in order to connect your Ease Cushion app to your Ease Cushion. Be sure that you have both your Bluetooth and your location, GPS location, turned on in the settings of your phone. This will then show the nearby devices. You can then connect your Ease Cushion. The number for your Ease Cushion is on the box. Once you have it successfully connected, you are going to click to sign up. You will then need to enter your email address and put in a password. Make sure that you write down whatever your password and email that you use so you have this for next time. You will then need to also check the box for the terms and conditions and then click to sign up. Once you see that your sign up is successful, now it's going to ask you to log in. So now you will need to enter your credentials again in order to now log in now that you have created an account. Like I said, make sure that you have written down what your credentials are so then you are able to log in. Now it's going to take you through the tutorial. And it wants to know, how can Ease Cushion help you? And then you are going to need to set up your profile. You'll want to put in your name, in your email address, and your phone number, your gender, your height, your weight, and your age, and any symptoms that you may be experiencing. Then at the top of the page, you will see this check mark, and you will want to hit the check mark to continue. Now it is going to sync our cushion to our Ease Cushion app. Here is where it's going to show you everything that the Ease Cushion app has to offer. Now we're ready to go. Here you will see your activity once you have some progress, and you can here now change the modes for your cushion, see your battery level, and turn your cushion on and off right from the Ease Cushion app. You can either set different settings between calm, moderate, and intense, or you can click on the custom setting and enter your own custom pressure and speed. Be sure to click save to have those new modes on your cushion. If you ever need to reconnect your Ease Cushion to the app, you're going to want to click on Profile, and you'll click on Connection Status. It will either show a red connected or a green connected here. If you have multiple devices, this is where you now can toggle between the two devices and connect between them. Make sure you give it a moment to update. Before controlling your other cushion. We hope that you enjoy using the Ease Cushion app.